So one of the things that you can do in VLC Media Player is go ahead and change around the playback aspect ratio of the video that you have. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and load up a video, let's say for example, and the aspect ratio of this particular video is 16:9, which is correct. But sometimes it may be incorrect and you might want to go ahead and change it because you see a stressed out video playback. So to go ahead and adjust it, you can go around over here onto video and then go to aspect ratio and choose the aspect ratio that you want. Right now it is 16:9, which is correct, but you can go ahead and choose 4:3 for a traditional aspect ratio, 1:1 for a square aspect ratio, and so forth. You can go for a cinematic aspect ratio and so forth. So even if the aspect ratio of the video is wrong, you can simply go ahead and correct it out by using this aspect ratio option in VLC Media Player. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe